Hi guys, do you want to verify your Facebook account or verify your Facebook page? Now we want to give you the teachings on how to verify your Facebook app. Remember, you cannot do it with Facebook Lite. You must use your normal Facebook app to verify your page or app. Firstly, if you open your Facebook, you tap on the options, you click on see more, you click you tap on help and support, help center. Remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel. You click on search and type how to verify my profile or page. Then see the first one, request a verified badge on Facebook. This means the blue tick. So I click on it. Okay. Here now, if you want to read about blue tick, you click here. But remember, you must turn on your Facebook. Two ways authentication factors. So if you want to read about it, you come here and read everything about the blue tick and the rules and conditions. So let's go back again. Consider to like the video and subscribe to our channel. So how to verify your Facebook account, how to verify your my account. Okay. Request a badge from Facebook. Then see here now, under here, verify your page or profile. You can fill out this form to verify your profile or page. You click here. Verified pages and profile have blue check marks right next to the names to show that Facebook has verified. Okay, Facebook has confirmed they are the real presence of the public figures, celebrities, and brands they represent. The first one, what are you verifying? My profile. Then the second one, confirm authenticity. Add official identification document for yourself or business or your business to show that your page or profile is connected to the public figure, celebrity, or brand is represent. So on this one, if you have driving license, if you have a voter's card, any IN, like my own is permanent voter's card or national identity card. Okay, this one is national identity card. I don't have it, and I don't have driving license, and I don't have passport. So I have none of them. My own, I'm not verifying it now. If anyone you have, you tap on it. Then you click on file, snap the picture and upload here. Here now you are seeing file. Then the second one, confirm notability, show that the public figure or celebrity or brand your page represent is in the public interest. If it's news like your category, if it is comedy, sports, you click here, or other, or fashion or designer, or government, politics, you tap on anyone you are choosing on. Then your country, you put your country here, like Nigeria. If you put country, then the second one, you describe the people who follow your page or your profile, include who they are, what they are interested in, and why they follow you. You fill it here. Then the second one, list all the names, the people or organization your page or profile represent is known by. So you feel everything. Remember to read very, very well. Then add up to 5 articles, like different types of social media links to show your page or profile is in the public interest. So here, if you have TikTok account, you paste here. If you have Instagram account, you paste here. If you have your WhatsApp link, you click here. If you have all these, like you list like 5 different types of links of different, like 5 different social media links here. So after everything, you click on send. Then you wait for months or weeks. They will verify you automatically. So consider to like this video. If this video was helpful to you, don't fail to turn on the notification button so that you get notification whenever we upload a video. Thank you.